Today we're looking at the Playmobil Large Tractor, a versatile and fun set that's perfect for any young farmer. Whether it's moving hay or clearing the path, this tractor has everything you need to bring the farm to life. The tractor comes with a seat for the farmer figure, making it easy to drive from one field to the next. The wheels roll smoothly, so whether it's indoor or outdoor play, your child can imagine their farm in action. This tractor is all about versatility. It includes a front loader that can swap between different attachments, like the forklift plate for moving hay and the hay fork for lifting larger loads. These attachments give kids plenty of options for farm-related tasks, keeping playtime fresh and engaging. With the front loader attachment, you can scoop up hay bales and transport them to the barn for feeding the animals. It's easy to attach and switch out tools, and the parts are sturdy enough to handle repeated use. On the back, you can attach a scraper blade to clear paths or the hitch to tow other equipment, making this tractor the ultimate farm workhorse. The tractor's build is durable and designed to handle all kinds of imaginative play. The attachments on the tractor connect smoothly and stay firmly in place during play, so kids can switch between tasks quickly. The variety of tools keeps them engaged and adds a new dimension to their farm setup. The Playmobil Large Tractor is a well-made interactive set that will provide hours of fun. With multiple attachments and moving parts, it lets kids create their own farm adventures. The only minor downside is that some younger children might find attaching the hitch a bit tricky, but overall, it's a fantastic toy for building creative farm scenarios.